Halor Kapatisi TV. Kabul, kamasin kabalas nakarpang kabakhamskem, kamstet, kamklan, batbaduna bam umpnya.
Kiladon khan Ngut Kiba Shah Hanong ba Bengaluru Kiba Trei Kompeni Thok kabala tiap kum ka business process outsourcing bat kani ka company kede ka Thok ye Nong Nong jo ka United States bat Canada lingba ka online scam na pedeng ki khan Ngut prangut kede na Maharashtra saungut na Meghalaya bat ki saungut ki pat kede na Gujarat West Bengal Madhya Pradesh bat Odisha ki saungut ki ba na Meghalaya ki bala Shakam kede bala tiap kerteng kum UF minat kan kai laifu asnam karta remison bamon laifu snam karta ke phani leibha nangzi arpunyo snam karta bad aljiba meri marbanyang arpulai snam karta kidan kumba arpau hadu arpusan ngut ki samla ki betrai hakni ka company bad ka kamjuki gedai ban phun chigi brio ki badan shabari bad banle manle yala dia kumki officer jong ka US law enforcement kini kin penting brio lingwa ka phone bat kham hadien kin pha yi brio bakin pha siu pisa kum ka jinge pen bai no ya ka jingsha ka no kita ki brio ki pulat ka Bengaluru ki la yo group sau phuwei teli ki computer ar phusan teli ki mobile phone ki ID card bat ki wei pat ki tiar ki badan ha office jongki ya kini ki samla ki betrai hangni kini ka company Thok ka pen biang ya ki jakasa ka bailej by one ka bam nalor ka tulap basiu ki register ikani ka kam ha HSR layout police station bal lapan gat ha ki babun ki kendon an
Southeast Division HSR police station we have the police have conducted a raid where 16 people have been arrested and they were operating as a call center but they were involved in digital arrest to take video named cyber information and with this they were trying to do fraud on people from other countries. For which there were evidences of false countries. They were trying to use this modus of digital arrest. In this, we have seized many fingerprints, mobile phones, and 16 people have been arrested. We are taking police custody and we are going to form teams to find out who had been frauded till now, what is the amount, and what is their further links they have in this area.
Which are the countries they were targeting, sir?
As per information, US and Canada.
And they're all from Karnataka only, or they are outside also?
16 people who have been arrested are all from outside state.
And what was the role here, sir, in this company they were doing here?
All call takers and they were calling that they were making people who were calling based on data which they had and trying to defraud them.
It was a mobile call or internet calls?
All internet calls.
Pin real squad, ya kak tin la jong pin dam kam, ya kabakan kiyo kak tin kasi, kak tin la jong, I kan roy kan pa. Balay pi ong gate, habangi don la jong ka kentin kasi, kerdop lani palor. Beli lani khang ya katuka palor ni juya ong. Saka weipan, kakten kasi kam juong ban ya kiw yaw up. Hindrangi kiw yaw tip. Tudayakan mau kendit ho. Lapan mi da kapati CTV, nakabenta ka jingmentoy upat ba.